Hello and welcome back to Dotspot. Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw a hand in a trigger position like a gun. So we're going to start with a circle to give us a guideline, and this time the thumb is going to be more obvious from this side, so we're going to need the circle to represent the base of the thumb, and then we'll have the fingers sticking out this way like this. And then following that same pattern, so you have the next finger sticking out the furthest, and you can draw them in like sausages and have the other two curling around in this way, okay, and then the thumb will be coming out of here like this. Spam. Alright, so let's use these to make this into a more refined piece of artwork. So first of all, drawing the curve for the thumb, and coming up here, the thumb, and back to the hand, and you can draw in the wrist as well. Then try and keep this as straight as possible to give it the best effect for the finger pointing out, and then draw in those sausage shapes as fingers. And if you've only got 3 fingers, you can just do 2 fingers folded instead, and then bang. Okay. Just hide that, and now you see you've got a perfectly respectable hand in the trigger position. You can even add a little Y shape here, which really you'd feel that there's flesh on that finger. If you could also even do fingernails. Okay, and so I'm just going to do a flag coming out of there that says bang. I haven't left enough space. Planning is important. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if so, hit the bell button to get notifications, subscribe, all of that. Press like, and I'll see you for the next one. Thanks very much. Bye.